a group of young ladies. We have the Klinger sisters plus one from Orem, Utah, and, oh, yes. We have an added starter. Well, now, listen, you better introduce yourself because this is the first time you've been on the show.
Okay.
All right, tell them what your name is.
My name is Lisa Klinger.
Lisa?
Mm.
And how old are you?
7.
Now, weren't you supposed to be with us on the show some weeks ago?
Yeah.
You were? But what happened?
I got sick.
You did? Did you have a cold?
Yep.
Oh, is that what it was? Were you coughing?
Yeah.
How did you cough? Oh. Were you sneezing, too?
Yeah.
You were?
Mm-hmm.
Well, how did you sneeze? Sure. That's very good. You know how a sneeze starts? You know how a sneeze is born?
Uh-uh.
Let me show you how a sneeze is born. Listen. Bum bum. Bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 bum. A fat lady won't put sugar in her tea. Said she's losing weight. Then she gobbles down a dozen eclairs and proceeds to eat the plate. Bum 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 bum. Ain't it great to be crazy? Bum bum. Ain't it great to be nuts like us? A horse and a flea and 3 blind mice sitting on a curbstone shooting dice. The horse slipped, fell on the flea. Whoops, did the flea? There's a horse on me. Bum 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 bum.
An elephant has a very long trunk, use it like a hoe. But a constant noise for handkerchiefs every time he blows his nose.
Bum 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 bum, ain't it great to be crazy? Bum bum, ain't it great to be nuts like us? Sure, and a fairy and a kangaroo were sitting in the rain and they didn't know what to do. The kangaroo spied the other two starting to cry. Said, hop in me pouch, it's nice and dry. Bum 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 ba-dum bum bum bum. Line in the pot says, keep out the gas.
I don't think that's it.
No, sir.
You're not supposed to walk on the grass.
Think it's it.
Bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 bum. Now showbiz is a wonderful life if you have the ambition. If you want to see your name in lights, become an electrician. Bum bum, ain't it great to be crazy? Bum bum, ain't it great to be nuts like us? A pig and a pigeon and a pollywog will rock one day in a big soup fog. The pig squealed, the pigeon did too. The pollywog became a frog and then they always go bum bum. A pig and a pigeon and an electrician and a smart kangaroo that knew what to do. Exorbitant fees for an elephant sneeze. A mouse and a flea and a horse makes three. A fat lady with no sugar in her tea. She's great to be crazy.